Today I'm going to talk to you about the unique function where you can grab items that occur just once in your list, and I'm going to show you how you could use this very effectively using tables. So what I'm going to show you is a table I've made of production staff where we can see their job titles, the teams, the shifts and the managers, and I want to know how can I extract the unique values from this list. In other words, what's a list of just which teams I've got, which shifts I've got, which manager I've got, that kind of thing. First of all, I'd like a distinct list of the teams, then a list of the teams including unique combination of shift and manager, then a list of the teams including shift including headings, then a list of the teams including shift including headings which appear only once. Finally, I want to sort the results. I'm going to start here by writing a unique formula. As I start to spell the formula, you'll see the first formulas appear that are similar to that. I'll tab across to type it in, and I need to select the array. You see on the little tip here, array is in bold. So what it means by array is where do you want to look for the data? So I'll position my mouse above this column for team, and it highlights all the data in the team column. That's it, folks. You tick that, you've done your first array. There's a unique formula, and the formula is in cell I9 on my spreadsheet here. And the interesting thing about an array formula that spills over several different cells is if you try to type over something in an array, it gives you a spill error. That's how you would extract unique values from a column in your table. So the next thing I thought I'd show you is how we could extract more than one column. Same formula, unique. And this time, as I select within my table, I'm going to drag that thick black mouse arrow to the right. And there we have it. So another thing that you might like to have is the headings as well. So let's do another unique formula. This time, notice that when I click down, instead of just collecting the data underneath the heading, I click again to extend it, keep my finger on the mouse. It's become a big fat plus, and I drag to the right to include the other columns that I'd like to have data for. And there's my unique list, including the headings. And if I had another heading that was going to go in, these will update. So, for example, if I had another team, let's say this person here was in a brand new team. You'll see stores has appeared in all of the lists. So just a reminder that if I only want one column, same method. Only select a single column and you have those unique values. What if I want two columns? Then I simply drag over both of those. Finally, what should I do if I'd like to see those items in a particular sort order? I'll take the unique formula that I've written and I'll nest a sort formula in there. So the sort formula consists of an array, which is the other formula, unique, that we've used to grab those unique values. And then it wants a sort index and a sort order, and to know whether I want it by column or row. So what do I want? Sort index of 1, first of all. That will sort it by the first column that I've selected. And then I'll keep it in ascending order, so another 1 goes in there. If I want descending, I put -1. Final choice here is whether you want it to sort by column or by row. I want it by row. That's what I'm going to choose, false, sort by row. So finally, just one end bracket, and I'm done. Just to demonstrate, if I wanted to sort it by the second column, I put a 2 in there, then shift it. It'll sort by the shifts. Well, I hope you found that useful. It was a quick run through of how to use the unique function. If you need more help or have any questions, why don't you contact me?